This place we call Taka. The location of the drum in Taka. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Guys, today I am here in Salalah. Drum of Salalah. Let me show you the location. This is the Salalah drum location. Before I go Muscat, I will do one more practice. This rope looks like elephant. Elephant of Salalah. Exactly. Right, so this is the location of the drum in Salalah. Okay. They are putting number 1 here. We are on the right side. They are looking to the number 3. This is number 3. Yeah, they are putting number 3. So when they are there, they are looking to number 3, not number 2. But in Muscat, we can call this one number 2. Okay, so from the left side also there, they will keep looking to number 3, also same. Yeah, number 3. From blind spot. From there, Tranquil Miru, number 3. So this is location of Salalah. Good. Alright. That's the location of the drum. That's the drum. Go back. Reverse. Okay. Blind spot. Drum number 2. Turn fully left. Going. See how the size come. It's same. Exactly. Steering straight. Fix my sorry. Both sides straight. Keep going. Right, so I'll go to the right side. Turn to the right. Nice weather, huh? Hope this is in Muscat. I still between 2 drum. Okay. In R, I keep look to drum number 2. Here they are putting the drum number 3. Actually, there is no number 2. They are looking to the drum number 3, like that. Okay. Then fix my steering to the fully right. Keep going. Here it's coming too close from drum, so I have to stop and then fix my steering. I go inside on the handle of the door opposite of the drum. Okay, like that. It's facing the drum actually. Then I will turn to the right. Keep looking straight. Okay, then I have to go straight.